one of the tools that helped me the most in improving my selling skills is called the Circle of Excellence. And I started using this tool because in the beginning of my business, I came with a lot of limiting beliefs around selling. I was working in advertising agencies and promoting products that weren't always the best, so we needed to emphasize their qualities and, hide their disadvantages. So I learned that selling, promoting, and marketing is a big lie. So that's why when I started my business, I noticed a resistance towards selling and creating sales pages because I came from this background. And I see this to my clients as well. Like, they have a lot of limiting beliefs around selling, like selling is pushy, is hard, is bad. So in order for our businesses to be thriving, we need to master selling. So the circle of excellence is a technique where you close your eyes and imagine that in front of you there is a circle, and in that circle is the person you admire the most, their selling qualities. So you count from 3 to 1, and when you reach 1, you step in that circle and you embody their charisma, confidence, and selling skills. And if you repeat this exercise before every sales call or promoting your services, in time you get to a point where you become really confident about your selling skills. So this is part of the Recoding Well course, which will be